These are the Austin Healey rear seat cushion tractor seat frames. They're relevant for the BN4 models, so that's the 106, and then also the BT7, BJ7 and BJ8, so they're the 3000 models. We sell them individually, so you need 2 of these per car set. These are metal base frames as per original specs. They're made out of metal. They've even got little holes in here, so you could trim the seat covers to it using the older sort of in and out loop system if you want. Generally, that's not how we do it, but each their own. Has all of the screws and washers in place on the back of it to allow you to fix it to the car itself. Yeah, fairly straightforward, those ones. So yeah, we sell those individually. Obviously we sell the seat covers for them as well, and we can fully trim the seat covers onto brand new frames if you so please.